What's going on, everyone? My name is Tom from Dreadlabs, and today I wanted to announce Creatober 2021.
Dreadlabs.
So if you've been around for last year, you probably already know what Creatober is. For the people that don't know, Creatober is a 31-day challenge where I made up a word for every day of the month October. And the goal is to create something related to that word. That can be a design, that can be something like a music piece, that can be art, that can be a drawing, that can be a poem. Whatever you want to do, it's all up to you. The idea is to challenge you a bit and see if with these creative prompts you can make something cool, to keep inspiring yourself and to kind of use it like a tool when you don't know what to make yet, so that you'll have a word where you can make something out of. Besides that, I am giving away 42 prizes this October. Yes, that means that you have a chance to win 42 different prizes. Basically, I'm giving away one complete asset bundle where every Dreadlabs product so far will be given away, as well as an exclusive Dreadlabs t-shirt. This is worth over 160 euros. I'm also giving away the Dreadlabs kit, which is worth 50 euros. I'm giving away Dread Shapes and Dread Renders bundles. And you also have the chance to win 10 euro and 5 euro asset packages. Especially those 5 euro asset packages, you can win one every day. Winners will be picked based on how creative their idea is and how well the execution is. Just know this, the bigger your prize is, the more days you have to participate. With all of that being said, I just want to give a quick note, and that is this can be really challenging. Especially when you have a creative block. I don't want anyone to have any mental issues or negativity during this challenge. So be aware, this can be challenging. Don't force yourself into it and just do it because it's fun. Don't do it because you want to win the prizes. It's just to have fun, and the prizes are something extra. Alright? So over the course of next month, I will also post the time lapses of my own creations. But there is a little bit of a side note here as well, because I will be on a holiday at the end of October. That means that I won't actually be in the Netherlands for the last few days. However, I will try to create my stuff up front and just like pre-upload it and plan it in. But yeah, just so you know, that is also a possibility, and you're also completely allowed to do that. If you have time to pre-make something for 3 days, it's also fine, you know, do this challenge however you want. There are just 31 words to help you out with creating something new, and that's basically the main premise here. On top of that, the project files for all of my Creatober creations will be available for everyone on Patreon. These will be available for people in the inner core tier, as there won't be any starting a clothing brand videos in October. So yeah, sorry about that, but it's just a little bit too much. I might be able to do a little bit of like starting clothing brand videos or any content that wise, but yeah, October will be mainly focused on Creatober. So yeah, but don't be sad about it, because the inner core people will be available to get 31 project files in October. With all of that being said, if you're hyped for Creatober or if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments, or you can join us on Discord. And I want to give a big shout out to all of my Patreons. Because of my Patreons, I'm actually able to make these videos for you guys. That means more Patreons, more tutorials, more assets, more products, more everything. So if you want to get the project files for all of my tutorials, you can find them on my Patreon, as well as a 15% discount in my asset web store and a Discord role. If you go one tier up, you'll also be able to watch the full episodes of the Starting a Clothing Brand series, and just like I said, all of the Creatober project files. So with all of that being said, thank you for watching. This was Tom from Dreadlabs tuning out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.